where 40 years of craftsmanship and innovation meet. Every step is part of this heritage. Every detail reflects world-class quality. Crafted with superior craftsmanship, our products are also the highest expression of style. With a 25,000 square meters modern facility, state-of-the-art machinery, and meticulously selected materials, our socks and clothes are always one step ahead of perfection. Reaching more than 40 countries with our export success, Bros is recognized worldwide as a symbol of quality and trust. Our design and R&D teams add a sophisticated touch to every product. Just like in a work of art, every detail is perfectly crafted, and the result, healthy, stylish, and sustainable socks. Bros Textile, the adventure of a brand that builds the future with the strength of the past.